Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free WordPress Gutenberg block editor. The name of the plugin is Spectra. This is one of the best Gutenberg blocks editor plugin. If you are not using any premium theme or any other page builder, then you can try using the Spectra block editor plugin. You can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 1 million plus WordPress websites. So this is one of the best Gutenberg block editor which you can use on your WordPress website. In the free version, you will get 30 plus customizable blocks. You will also get pop-up builder and many other features. So this plugin has free as well as premium version. I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the premium version of the plugin, and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium version. The premium version of this plugin will cost you $37 per year for a single website. If you want to create a complete website, you can also go for Essential Toolkit, which will cost you only $60 per year for a single website, in which you will get Spectra Pro plugin as well as you will get Astra Pro plugin and premium starter templates. You can create a complete website using Astra theme and Astra Pro plugin. I have published a separate video on Astra theme and Astra Pro plugin. I'll give you the links in the description box if you want to watch these videos. So in this video, we will start with the free Spectra plugin and later I'm going to install the Pro plugin. If you want to buy the Pro version of the Spectra plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website that I have created using Astra theme. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for Spectra. This is the plugin Spectra Gutenberg Blocks Website Builder for the block editor. I have already installed and activated the plugin on this demo website. So when you install this plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option Spectra. Click on it. This plugin works with almost all the themes. In this demo website I'm using Astra theme. So this is the dashboard of the Spectra plugin. Let's go to blocks at the top, and these are the blocks available in the free version. All these free blocks are already activated, and you will see these are the core blocks which we cannot disable. You can use all these blocks on your WordPress website, and if you do not want to use any one of these blocks, you can disable. Let's say I do not want to use price list, so I can disable that block also. And at the top you will see the list of Pro blocks. So these blocks will be available only if you have the Spectra Pro plugin installed. So in the Pro version we have login form, registration form, Instagram feed, loop builder, model pro, pop-up builder pro, dynamic content, advanced animation countdown pro, slider pro, and image gallery pro. In the left hand panel you will see the pop-up builder is available in the free version also. However, there are some limitations in the free version. Let's open the pop-up builder and let's click on create a new pop-up. At the top you will see the title. Let's say pop-up 1. This is going to be the title of the pop-up. And you can create two different types of pop-ups in the free version, info bar or pop-up. Let's select pop-up, and this is how the pop-up will look. As this is the free version of the Spectra plugin, you will not get many features in the free version. So if you want to customize it, you can select the pop-up, and from the right hand panel you can customize it. So this is going to be the pop-up width, height. Below that we have close option. This is the close button. You can make it dismissible, close with escape, close on overlay click. You can go to style settings, and from here you can change the style settings. For example, we can change the background color like this. You can also add overlay color. This is overlay color. You can change the overlay color also like this. Then we have border, close button, style settings, box shadow, and spacing. Go to advanced and you will see responsive condition. If you do not want to show it on mobile or tablet, you can disable it from here. These are the advanced settings. Let's go to general, and here you will see repetition, how many times you want to repeat this pop-up. However, in the free version you will not get the pop-up trigger and targeting options. That is available only in the Pro version. So the basic pop-up is available in the free version. Right, let's go back to Spectra dashboard. These are the blocks. Next to that you will see AI features, AI assistant, and AI design copilot. Build 10 times faster with Spectra AI. You can use AI to create the entire website using the zip WP. I have already published a detailed video on how to create a website using zip WP. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the links in the description box. Next to that, we have settings. These are the basic settings of the plugin. Default content width button. If you want to inherit the button style from the theme, you can enable this option. Container padding and custom CSS copy paste styles. Enable the copy paste styles option to have the ability to copy and paste Spectra and core Gutenberg block styles. Automatic block recovery is also enabled. Then we have editor enhancements, collapse panels, enable template buttons. Then we have asset generator, version control and performance. Under performance, you can load the Google fonts locally. This is site visibility. If you want to enable coming soon mode on your website, you can enable this option. If you want to enable maintenance mode, you can enable this option. If I go to integrations, you can integrate the Google reCAPTCHA on the contact forms. You just need to enter the secret key and the site key to enable the Google reCAPTCHA. So let's go to one of the pages and we will see which blocks are available. Let's go to About Us page. So I have this demo website and this is the demo about page. Let's go to Edit page. This entire website is created using Astra and the Spectra blocks. So this is the About page. Let's say I want to add some additional blocks. So let's go to the bottom of the website and click on the plus sign here. And at the top, you will see all these Spectra blocks are available. For example, if I want to add container, I'm going to click on it. You will see different types of containers can be added. Single column, 2 column, 3 columns, 4 columns. So you can use different layouts for the container. Let's say I want to use this layout, 2 column layout. So this container will be added to the page. And this is the first column and this is the second column. If I click on it, you will see the settings for the first column, where style settings, and let's change the background color for the first column. You will see this is the background color for the first column. Let's go to second column and change the background color for the second column also. So you can fully customize the layout. You can change the color settings, border, box, shadow, shape divider, spacing. If I go to general, you can customize the minimum height, equal height. You can make it equal height for both the columns. Then we have layout. You can change the layout. Now, if I want to add some block in this one, I can simply click on plus sign and let's say I want to add paragraph. So the paragraph will be added. You can go to paragraph settings and change the color. Let's go to plus sign again and I want to add a heading. So heading will be added to that block, to that column, and I can change the color settings. So it is fully customizable. Click on the plus sign again. Then we have heading, image, button, info box. You will see info box like this. If I move the cursor on it, you will see how the block is going to look. So let's click on info box and you will see this is the info box. If I want to customize it, I can simply click on it and in the right hand side, you will see all the customization settings for this info box. You can change the icon. You can change the content, call to action. You can also add a button. So this is going to be button in the info box. So using the Spectra plugin, you can add advanced blocks to your default Gutenberg website. Then we have countdown. Let's drag and drop the countdown. This is how the countdown will look. You can set up the time and the date and the countdown will start. You can change the style settings from here. And these are the advanced settings. Display condition. You can also use display condition for each and every block. Let's say I want to show this countdown timer on specific days. I'm going to select day and select the days. Let's say I want to show this countdown only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then it is going to show it on these specific days only. So these are the display conditions that you can use. You can also use responsive conditions. If I do not want to show this on mobile, I can simply enable this option. And this is going to be hidden on the mobile devices. Then below that, we have content timeline. If I click on it, this is how the content timeline will look. This is timeline heading 1, 2, 3, 4. This one also looks good. And again, it is fully customizable. You can change the orientation like this, text alignment like this. So it is fully customizable. Then you will see form block is also available. The default Gutenberg editor does not have forms block. So if you want to add form on your website, you can use Spectra plugin. Let's click on it and you can create basic contact form using the Spectra plugin. Simple contact form, newsletter form or suggestion form. Let's select simple form and you will see the form is added. If you want to add more fields, you can add more fields. You will see the fields available in the free version: name, email, phone, text area, checkbox, and the other fields that you can add: radio button, select, toggle, date picker, and accept. Let's add date picker and you will see a date picker in the contact form. If you want to change the settings, select the contact form and from here you can change the settings of the form. Submit button, you will see submit button. Then we have actions. What actions do you want after submitting the form? You can send the data to this specific email address. This is going to be the subject line. You can also add Google reCAPTCHA and use the presets. I have a separate video on how to use the Spectra form. I'll give you the link in the description box. So as you can see that there are many blocks that you can add to your WordPress website using the free Spectra plugin. Now I do have the premium version of this plugin and I'm going to install the premium version. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have already downloaded the plugin, so I'm going to click on upload plugin and select the Spectra Pro plugin and install it. Click on activate plugin. Again, if you want to buy this Spectra Pro version, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. Now I need to enter the license key. So here I'm going to enter the license key and activate the Spectra Pro plugin. Alright, so the license is successfully validated. Now let's go back to Spectra dashboard. Go to blocks. And now you will see all the Pro blocks are also available. So I can use all the Pro version blocks. I can now create the sliders as well as advanced pop-ups in the WordPress website. So if I go to pop-up, this is what we try to create. Let's publish it. And we are going to refresh it so that we can see the Pro version. Let's refresh it. If I go to general, scroll down and you will see now we have many other features. Repetition, I can use the repetition, visibility, where do you want to show, load time, the trigger, this is the trigger type, exit intent or element. So I can set up a delay of let's say 6 seconds. So when someone loads the website, it is going to show this pop-up after 6 seconds. You will see display conditions. Currently it is set to entire website. You can select archive, search pages. You can show this pop-up on different sections of the website, front page, then all posts. If you want to show it on specific page, you can set that also. You can also exclude the pages or the post where you do not want to show this pop-up. So these are the display conditions available in the Pro version. Let's save it. So if I refresh it, after 6 seconds, you will see the pop-up is there on the website. Now if I go to plus sign, and you will see that some Pro blocks are now available. You will see post carousel, post grid, post timeline. So if you want to create a timeline of the post, you can use this block. You will see slider option is also available, social share, table of content, taxonomy list, and you will see some other Spectra Pro blocks. You can customize the login form on your WordPress website, a registration form, Instagram feed, and loop builder. So if you're not using any premium theme or any page builder on your WordPress website, you can try using the Spectra plugin. If you want more features, you can use the Spectra Pro plugin, which will cost you only $37 per year for a single website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.